Hello everyone, welcome to another beautiful video with us here at Izenino Farms. But today we are not actually on our own farm. We traveled to Abia State to another person's farm, a pig farm. So we are here to learn one or two things about pig farming. But unfortunately the farmer is not here, so we're just going to walk through the farm. Here it looks like piglets, but not newborn piglets. Well, moving on. Then this here looks like growers. Inside here it's like they have both males and females all together. You can see the young boars and the younger sows. Unfortunately, like I said, the farmer is not here. We would have liked to get one or two things from him.
Nothing. How are you?
Here seems to be another higher stage of growers as well. They don't look like up to maybe the finisher stage. This is just growers. But if not the farmer was here, he could point out exactly what stage they are. But like I said, he's not here. Then moving on, this side looks like another young piglets, like weaners. They seem to have just been recently weaned from mothers. And this is another group of growers. Over here, this looks like the boar. He's having a rest. So that's the boar. These are the weaners. And it's up. It's like the boar is up. Seems like our noise waked him up. Well, let's go further to see what else we can find on the farm. Alright, so the next pen we have a sow, and from the looks of her stomach it looks like she's already pregnant. So very soon this sow is going to give birth to children. Then the next pen, since this pen is empty, there's nothing in it, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, what we can see here is a group of sows, and these ones are at the finisher stage, so maybe it seems like they are waiting to be served by the boar and maybe become pregnant. I wish the farmer was here to give us a good tour of this place. Alright, this next pen is also finishers as well. We can see some both sows and younger boars also in it. Well, this area looks like a little garden, and it looks like they are using the droppings of the animals to do as fertilizer. An empty oh, okay, look, there's a pig there and another group of sows. Well, this is where we will draw the curtain on this video. We'd like you guys to subscribe if you haven't done so, and also like and share this video. We'll see you guys on our next video. Thanks for watching.